Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to present you another recipe. This one is one pot recipe. If you don't have time after work or school, it's perfect and very tasty, full of flavors. Okay, so let's start cooking. First step is to cut piece of butter and heat it up in the microwave. And now I'm cutting 2 chicken breasts into 4 pieces. And now I'm adding 2 garlic into the butter and mix it together. Next step is to cut all your vegetables into the pieces. So here you can use everything what you have at home. It's perfect for leftovers as well. So I have here 4 big potatoes, and I'm adding the special spice for the potato dish. If you don't have that at home, you can easily season with your favorite spices. So now I'm adding the mushrooms, 1 big onion cut in the smaller pieces. I'm adding 2 carrots. It will bring extra crunchiness into the dish. Now it's time for cherry tomatoes. It's really nice and juicy and brings really nice flavor. And a little bit of paprika. And look how amazing it looks like right now. And we are nearly there. Now it's time to put our chicken breast into the batter and cover with the Parma ham. You can switch the Parma ham for prosciutto or for bacon if you don't have this one. So any leftovers of butter I'm putting on the top of my meal. Cover it everything with the silver foil and it will be ready to bake. Oven is heated up until 180 degrees and I'm baking everything for 45 minutes. In meantime, I'm cutting the mozzarella cheese into the slices and preparing my asparagus. After 45 minutes, everything is nearly ready. So now I'm taking off the foil and I'm putting on the top the last 2 ingredients, which are asparagus and mozzarella. Everything will go into the oven again for another 15 minutes. Everything is ready, smells amazing, and I can't wait to eat it and enjoy it with my family. Hopefully you like that production. If you try it at home, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, leave the comment and put the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!